this is the premaxilla or incisive bone. This one, this is the maxilla, this is the nasal, this is the lacrimal bone, and this one is the premaxilla or the incisive bone. ठीक है, this incisive bone, this bone, it forms the anterior part of the upper jaw. ठीक है, this forms the anterior part of the upper jaw. So each incisive bone or the premaxilla that presents, this is the body and two processes. One is the palatine process and this is the nasal process. ठीक है, so एक body होती है, इसमें दो processes होते हैं. One is the palatine process, another is the nasal process. तो पहले first we will discuss about the body. The body, it presents two surfaces. This is known as labial surface and opposite to this, that is known as buccal surface. This labial surface, it is related with the upper lip, while as the buccal surface, it is related with the dental pad. ठीक है, it is related with the dental pad. Here the medial border of this edge of this body, here it forms a fissure here with the opposite bone, that is known as, यहाँ पे जो fissure बनता है, that is known as incisive fissure. Here that is known as incisive fissure. So now coming to the processes. First one, that is known as, this is the nasal process. The nasal process, it extends from this which bone, that is from the body, and it goes in upward direction and joins with the maxilla. This nasal process ये क्या करेगी, it forms the lateral wall of the nasal cavity. ठीक है, this forms the lateral wall of the nasal cavity. And here this is the palatine process. The palatine process, here it joins with the, here with the opposite one, and they form here a groove. This groove, it is occupied with the vomer bone. ठीक है, this palatine process, it joins with the, that is the maxilla, and here another bone remains, that is the vomer bone. ठीक है, so ये palatine process है. Palatine process and the nasal process, they are separated by this oval shape that is known as palatine fissure. ठीक है, इसको palatine fissure बोलते हैं. And this palatine process, it joins with the, this palatine process, it joins with, this is the palatine process of the maxilla. इसके साथ ही join करेगा ये palatine process of the maxilla. So this was all about the incisive bone या premaxilla इसको बोलते हैं.